You want this?
Add video. Customize your video length. Split the video from proper area. Delete the useless part. Add text to video. You can type anything to your text. I input new video. Tap the keyframe shape to add key. Locate your text wherever you want to. Then add change location of timeline stick to end of text line. Make your text line longer and change the text's position again. After finishing this step, you can control your video, then export first video. Now, add your video again to CapCut, off to be, and your raw video to CapCut. We will make raw video overlay to first video. Find overlay and tap it. Later then, set the position the video. Drag video to beginning position. We are checking the video to find right position. If it is at the right position, go on another step. Now, remove the background from the video. Auto removal helps you to remove it easily. We have finished the all steps. Finally, our video is ready. Let's see it. You can export now. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.